Hello, I'm Brett Knowles from PM2 Consulting. This short vignette reviews how we can begin to think about relationships between departments and use the cascaded strategy maps as a organization design tool. Here's the issue. As we take a corporate strategy map and begin to drill it down to its related departments, of course we find that each department has a slightly different strategy map that describes how it responds to the corporate level strategic objectives. To learn more about this, listen to the Cascade vignette. Now, in addition to this, we're going to have initiatives, annual large significant programs like a CRM system or knowledge management, which may affect one or more departments. In addition, we're going to have departments that do cross-functional support. An example of that would be human resources, finance, or even IT. What we need to do is understand what is a relationship and who owns it between this department, IT, and this department, say marketing. Let's take a look at how that might work. If we take a strategy map for a department, and again, in this case, we'll say it's IT, and I've labeled these, F1 for the first financial objective, C1 for the first customer objective, and so forth. And if we're running a different department, say, marketing, we should be able to take a look at IT and ask ourselves the following two questions. One is, what is our impact on any particular objective? Secondly, how are we impacted by what IT does with respect to that objective? And from that, we can figure out what type of relationship we should have. I'll show you what I mean. Let's take a look at objective C1. What we might find is we have a high impact on that objective. On the other hand, if IT does something about that objective, we have a low impact by whatever they do. In this example, we are the relationship owner because we've got the higher impact on what's going on. And therefore, our role in this case is the driver. Let's take another example. Let's say for C2, the role's reversed. We have a low impact on that objective, and whatever IT does has a high impact on us. In this case, obviously IT becomes the relationship owner, and we're dependent on what they choose to do. Another alternative, of course, would be what happens if it's both low-low. In that case, there's no clear relationship driver, and it may be, in fact, some other department that has the relationship in that particular example. To learn more about this and other concepts, please join us at pm2consulting.com.